Okay, so let's look at the last one on that page. Sorry, the video kind of pooped out on me. All right, so 37 says that SQ bisects RST. Well, here we go again. Vocabulary, 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 vocabulary. Bisect, that means cut in half. So SQ, which is this guy, bisects RST, which is this guy, RST. So these two angles are the same. Find QR if UT is 20 and UQ is 48. So I've got to find QR. QR is this one. Now, there is a theorem that we didn't talk about with the angle bisector. That's the one thing I know I neglected to talk about with you guys. We talked about it kind of in passing. This is a right angle. Anything that comes from the angle bisector at a 90-degree angle towards the angle creates two congruent pieces. That means that U is the midpoint. So that means that's also 20. Okay? So that's also 20. Now, I've got two right triangles here, right? So now I'm looking for this one. I'm basically looking for the hypotenuse. There's your Pythagorean theorem. So my two legs, I've got 20 squared plus 48 squared equals C squared, which is QR. I'm just going to put QR in there instead of C. 20 squared is 400. And you know me, I don't have my calculator with me, so if I've got 48 squared, 32, 38, 32, 16, 19, 4, 10, 13, you got 2,304. Okay, so 48 squared gives you 2,304. Okay, so now we've got, when I add those two, that's equal to QR squared, okay? So now I've got 2,700, 2,704 is QR squared, okay? And I'm looking around here for a calculator because how do I do this? Well, I'm going to take the square root of both sides. So the square root of 2,704 is your answer. And I don't have a calculator, guys. I'm sorry. What I'll do is I'm probably going to stop the video and then I will come back and do it on the next one because I'm actually using my phone. Actually, hang on. Hang on a second. I might have a solution. I actually think I'm a lot smarter than I am sometimes, so I do have a calculator. Let me grab this real quick because I just don't want to think. It's on here somewhere. I'm looking on another device to find a calculator. Let's see here. At least I thought I had a calculator on here. I'm really making this video a lot longer than it needs to be because I cannot find a calculator. Well, let's do this. The square root of 2,704. 2,704 square root. Whoops, that didn't work out right. Clear. The square root of 2,704. 52. Look at that. I'm pretty smart. So that's your answer. That's QR is 52.